Diary of a Wimpy Kid, the third wheel, and it was taken to the work day. So, and the dad was stressing. So he said Jeffrey, which is little Wimpy Kid. I'm just gonna name him Jeffrey because that's the owner of the book. So yeah, and I'll read this to you. Dad told me he really needed to finish what he was doing. So he asked me to find somewhere else to sit while he was wrapping things up. He must have been really stubborn that day, though, because he went home and left me behind. I might have been stuck there all night if the janitor didn't find me. Had not found me, sorry. But he left his kid at work. Like, you could have been looking for him.